Hair colors today. Yes, we are doing a L'Oréal Paris Excellence Crème. And why did I pick this up? Because my hair is very resistant. The grays are super, super duper resistant. And this one claims to do 100%, yeah, 100% resistant gray coverage. Is it good? Is it not good? I don't know. We're just going to go ahead and jump on over to that video. I'm going to show you guys my grays. We're going to zoom in and you're going to see all the little details of the imperfections of my hair, and that would be my gray. Anyways, let's go ahead and just roll on over to that video. I'll let you guys know if this... Hey guys, I just got home from the gym. I thought I would color my hair before I get in the shower. Now I'm going to show you all of my grays. As you can see, I have let this grown out. I've grown this out just for you guys. It is a lot of gray, and it goes really, really far. If you look at it, look at that. Like here's the mother load of grays, right? Like it just goes on and on. I actually have more in that area. And then I have it over here in this area, as you can see, like they're just, the bundle is together. Look at that. All the grays want just to bunch up and come like in certain spots of my hair. On the top, I get random. I don't get as much, as you can see, but in the corners here is where all my gray is. So we are going to do the L'Oréal Paris Excellence Crème Triple Protection Color. You know, the thing is, this one says it has ceramide plus pro keratin plus collagen. It says 100% resistant gray coverage. 100%. Oh, yeah, okay. Rich radiant color, yada, yada, yada. So just so that you guys know, most box colors say that 100% gray coverage, and we know different. Don't we know different? Because you guys have watched the videos where it's like 100% gray coverage, and then it just jack diddly. So this is what it comes with. It comes with this bottle. It also comes with one of these like comb applicators, which I don't know if I'm gonna use. I'll use that like we'll try it. And it comes with two full size, whatever these are. So this is the color, and this is the conditioner. Okay, color conditioner. And this is the tiny one. This is the pre-color treatment. What the heck is a pre-color treatment? This is the peroxide, by the way. Okay, so it says use before coloring. Avoid the root area. Massage treatment into fragile areas of hair, particularly the ends. So this is just to protect your ends. So I guess we could do that. Smells good. It's just like a conditioner. That's what it feels like. So it's just a conditioner. Just kind of run it through the ends. Even though I don't think I'm going to take it that far down, we're just going to use it anyways. Okay, so it feels like a conditioner. It looks like a conditioner. Now, if your ends, just to let you guys know, if your ends are really light, I have a fresh haircut, so my ends don't look light. But if your ends are really light, I wouldn't recommend putting that on, because the very last 5 minutes of the color, you want to pull it all the way through to make sure that your color matches from top to bottom, or it has more of a natural look. Because a lot of times, especially during the summertime, your ends can get way lighter than your roots. Okay, let's open the bottle and the color. Okay, so you take off that little plastic so that it can pierce it. And there, it pierced it. And then you just mix. Okay, we have the color. You can see the color and the peroxide. We're gonna shake it up. Shake your cheese, shake your booty, shake your bottle. Now let's open this up and get our gloves. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the tip, and we're gonna start off using this bottle. Then we're gonna put on the brush in a second after we've already put this on the roots. So when I say that, it's like this. We're gonna go, well, actually, you know what? I'm gonna do my base first. When I say my base, I actually mean my hairline, my bad. Oops. What we're gonna do, we have it around the hairline. We're gonna split it in the middle, just like that. And then we're gonna actually split it like this, where you have a section right behind your ear and on the other side. And these are the lines that you always wanna go down first. When I say that, you wanna go boom, boom, and boom. Why? Because those are the four sections, these are the four sections. Well, yeah, those are the one, two, those are the lines. Those are the sections that show the most. So we're gonna go ahead and just massage it in. And then we're gonna do this. We're gonna take tiny sections, tiny lines, and go up each line. And then massage it in. Next one. Make sure that you go line by line, guys, because if you miss, you're gonna regret it later. So once we get all of this color in line by line, right, we're gonna rough it up. We're gonna rough the cuticle. And when I say that, what I mean is like, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go like this in a second, and we're gonna rough it up. And what that will do, will open the cuticle, helping this color to penetrate better through that hair. It's opening it up. Oops, my bad. What is wrong with me today? I'm making a mess. And just FYI, guys, if you do this, you do want to do this on dirty hair. Anytime you color your hair, you want your hair to be dirty because it won't irritate your scalp as much. Your natural oils will kind of like protect your scalp from any irritation. So you can see I'm just running up that line and then I'm pushing it up. Okay, so when you get to this point, just go in and start doing this. Start massaging, kind of like you're shampooing, because you're pushing that cuticle around. You're roughing it up, like I said, rough it up, rough it up. Now, since I can't do my back, what I do, this is a big section in your back, right? You should always go and take the bottle and push the product right down the center and up. And go ahead and make sure that you work that in. Because when you part your hair, when you push your hair to the front like that, that's the first section that shows. So we want to make sure that we get that section first. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to take this. You have to start feeling for this. We're going to take section by section. And then, so you're just running the bottle line by line. And then another line, lift. I mean, it might look sloppy, but this is the best that you're going to be able to do if you do not have somebody else helping you. So you can see, we're just doing that running line by line. I'm gonna open the door. The fumes are starting to get to me a little bit. Gotta excuse my mess over there. Okay, so from this point, I'm gonna take off the top and we're gonna go in with that comb. Now, typically in a salon, if you have really super resistant grays, I would leave it on for a few minutes longer, but we're gonna follow the directions here. This one says 30 minutes. So let's go ahead and see the comb. See it come down. And then it comes into like a flat line, which is nice. Okay, so let's see how the comb works since we know my color. Oh, okay. That's nice, actually. Kind of just pushes it all the way through. Even though we already roughed it up and did that. But just to reassure that we got those long color strands. Those long gray strands. I think I'm going to leave the brush and the rest of the product, which is not very much in here, for the last a few minutes, like what I was saying, where you just kind of run it all through. But for now, I'm just going to push this color around at my roots. Alexa, set a timer for 30 minutes. Okay, guys, so it is that time to start pulling it through. but I was looking and literally I only have that much product in it. So this is more than likely a 20 volume developer. I'm going to add a little bit of water in it just so I can push it through more, because what I'm doing at this point, since I have already put the color on my gray, all I'm doing is kind of just adding a bit of color, a little wash of color, you could say, to the rest of my hair. So everything matches good. So you're not going to put equal portions. You're just going to put like a dash, like 1/4 water into this and mix it up and then pull it through. So we're going to do that right now. And so what this becomes is like a developer that's not as strong. So instead of being 20 volume, it's probably going to be 10 volume, which that's fine because it deposits. Okay, so we got it in. And now all I'm going to do here, let's see here. I'm just going to comb my hair like this back with this thing. Pushing, making sure that it's touching your scalp though, guys. Pretty much out. So from this point, all we're gonna do is massage everything together. Now, if you're concerned that you have any gaps, like you've missed areas, right? And I don't recommend this for everybody. If you have hair texture that's like mine, that you have thick hair, then yeah, you can do this. If you don't have that much hair, do this. Get a paddle brush and start with your ends and just comb it through. Get all the way to the scalp and push that product to go through like that, you see? Now I'm not pulling a lot, you know? I'm just gliding it, you know? And the reason I say I don't recommend this for thin hair, because if you have thin hair, it can cause a breakage. If you have really, really thick hair like I do, I would recommend this. You can see, look. So the product, look how far down the product came. It came nearly to the ends of the hair, that's what we want. We want just to the ends of the hair. And this also helps like push it evenly throughout everything, throughout the scalp, throughout everything. Oh, if you guys are wondering what all this stuff is on my face, if you stain your skin, like if you have issues staining your skin when you're coloring your hair, check out the video. I'll post it down below in the comment section and the description box. I'll show you guys how to get those stains off your skin so you're not walking around looking crazy. You can see, right? It's just pushing it through. Now, don't be combing your scalp. Like, be very gentle. Don't scratch your scalp, because we don't want to cause any irritation on your scalp. So what I'm going to do here, you see, I did not push against the scalp. All I'm doing here is just massaging it up, roughing up the cuticle for the last few minutes it's going to be in my hair. Especially right there. Now, a lot of people just put in the color and then they wonder why their grays are not covered. It's because you didn't rough it up, honestly. You can't just throw it on. I mean, some hair, but if you're resistant, like super resistant like I am, you have to do this extra step and just make it all roughed up and really get in there and help that color soak. Now, I'm going to get in the shower because my time is up in about 2 minutes. I am not going to remove my gloves. If I remove my gloves, I'm going to stain my nail beds. I'm going to stain my nails, my hands, everything. So I'm going to wash my hair twice with this on, and then I'm going to go in with this conditioner treatment that they gave me and let you guys know how my hair feels afterwards. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so here's the moment of truth. I just got out of the shower. Haven't even gotten dressed. You guys can't see that part. Let me take my hair down and let's see. Okay, guys, I am out of the shower. Let's go ahead and look. Ooh. Let me get really close in the mirror real quick. Wow, this looks like it colored all the gray. Look at this. Okay, so let's go over here because this is where it was most dominant. Look at this. 34% freaking minutes and it colored the gray. Now I do think I got a little bit light of a color. I got 4 dark brown. With these box colors, they're not like professional colors, so a 4 would be too light for me. But I've noticed that it depends on the brand. Sometimes a 4 matches me, sometimes a 4 doesn't. It said 4 dark brown, that's why I got it. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry my hair. We're gonna look at it and see, like, are all my grays covered? Is it too light or not? I don't know. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, I'm back, guys. This is my new haircut. This is what it looks like, curly. So I went through here and I separated all my hair. And I have to say, like, wow. Wow, this is probably one of the best hair colors I've ever gotten that cover most all my grays. And when I say most all my grays, they're all 100% is covered, honestly. But there are that 1 or 2 that look like they're a little bit lighter, which is normal. That's actually very normal. Not very many. Like, I would honestly say that it covered my gray 99%. So you only have that 1% that just the strand of gray looks a little bit lighter, but it still has color in it. Like, look, and the color, this is dry right here. The color you can see is 100% my color. Remember I was telling you, like, I don't think this might not be my color. Look at that. Freaking awesome. Okay, guys. So, yeah, this is the new do. I hope you guys are enjoying the short hair. I got it all chopped off and it is curly. Like, amazing. Not one freaking gray. I would totally recommend this color. My hair felt great. It felt healthy. It felt vibrant. Like, it didn't, a lot of times you can color your hair with these box colors and it's like excruciating dry, like crunchy dry. This is such an awesome color. Like, this is probably going to be my top. This is now officially, we're making it official right now. This is my top color for covering resistant gray. 30 minutes. Come on, guys. In a salon, I leave it on for like 40 minutes to cover gray. I literally did just the 30 minutes. That was it. Didn't go over 1 minute over, and it covered all my gray. Excellent color. Anyways, I will post the links down below if I can find it. I got this at Walmart or Target, something like that. Or Amazon. I buy so much beauty products. I kind of forget where I buy them. I might have got it off Amazon. I don't know. I'll post a link down below to this cream, this Excellence cream, because it is quite excellent. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you all. Mwah! God bless you guys. I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful day and your hair looks vibrant and gorgeous. Stay young, because you know what, guys? What do they say? You age when you stop playing. It's not, or hold on. What's that quote? You don't age. Okay. I'm sorry, that drove me crazy that I couldn't remember that quote. It says, we don't stop playing because we grow old. We grow old because we stop playing. That is the quote. And that is so true. So you know what, guys? Don't stop playing. Color your hair. Have fun. Play around with some makeup. Go have, I don't know, go jump on a slide. Do something today. Do something fun and spontaneous and awesome. I love you guys. Let's go ahead and just roll on over to the quote of the day. I'm Christina Marie. I'm